Hi folks, my name's Ray. I just want to talk to you about something I've come up with, well, with help from the internet of course. It's called a Steadycam, another good idea. I've been taking a lot of videos lately and I've needed to have someone to hold it and be able to move around and keep the camera steady, so it's a Steadycam. Very simple idea. It's made up from a couple of different ideas I picked up from the internet. This is from a guy, the basic idea is from a guy called Reneto. Thanks Reneto, thumbs up to you. It's about using what's around to improvise. Here it is, the Steadycam. Don't worry about all this stuff here. It will fit a cell phone like that or a tablet like this. No problems. I'll show you how. First of all, this part here is a washer on the back here with a wing nut I made on a nut. And this thing slides up and down and takes the size of anything. Well, sort of anything. So, there's that. It's made from a piece of black plastic tube like this. You heat up the plastic tube with a blowtorch. You cut it down the side. And you open it up and you put it on the table. Once you heat it up and you put bricks on it and let it cool down. Then you've got a flat piece like this one here. This one here is nice and flat. I cut a couple of slots in it. How I got that bend just here, I made a jig out of this thing here, and when I heat it up I put it in the vise and I squash it over there like that. Now a part that I cut out the side here was for this handle here. In this handle there's a hole drilled in here and there's a bearing from a roller blade. Down the bottom there's a whole bunch of washers. I just bolted them all on there and I cut the corners off so that it didn't cut my bag to pieces when I put it in my bag. The bolt down the middle, this bolt here is from a cable drum. You know, they wrap the cable around them. I just pulled the cable drum to pieces and there was about 3 of those bolts like that. I put this piece of plastic tube up the sleeve up there just to make it look nice and to hold it, and the thing, bearing fitted really well in there. In here I've got a piece of wood. I just pushed that up in the pipe. Cut the pipe out like that. Let's see, you can see that there. Cut the pipe out like that so that the camera can fit in there. And there's a bolt there and a nut with the wing nut. I showed that before. And that slides up and down. You watch this. Camera goes in there like that. I then compress it down. Squash it down like that. Tighten it up. With the Steadycam, I'm going to show you how easy it is to put this in and take it out, to take the camera out. So you just take it out like that, put it in like that, there it locks in. So, very effective and efficient and fast. How it works, I put 2 fingers underneath that arm there, 2 fingers hold onto it there, and it sits on the heel of your hand there, thumb on it there, and you can rotate it around like that. So I'll be wandering around and it keeps pretty steady. I've got a cameraman friend who uses it and he says it's really good. He likes it. The mass on the bottom keeps it steady. If I want to look at the ground there, I can do that, move around like that, nice and steady. It works really well. If I want to talk to someone and then I'm interviewing them, for example, I might be talking to them and then I'll say, put it on to me, flip it around like that, then flip it back again because of that bearing there. So that's basically it, that's how it works. So that's about it folks, for as far as that goes. What I'm going to do now is put my camera in, which is on the tripod in front of me now. Take it outside. Okay, so let's go. Zelda, you going well? Yeah, I'm going real well actually. So you can see that as I walk around, it's actually quite steady. Well, and I can keep it moving like that, and it works quite well, as long as I don't move too fast. So that's how it is. So that's my form of the Steadycam. Thanks to different people, I got different ideas from the internet. Hope you enjoyed this clip. I certainly had a good time putting it together. So if you've got any comments, or you like it, or you'd like to subscribe, you know what to do. Thanks. See you later.